आमचे गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीन दोन मिटिंगी जाल्ले. वन वॉज PCC ऑफिस बेरर्स मिटींग आनी सेकंड आहले पळय ती आमची एक्झिक्युटीव कमिटीची मिटींग. डिस्कशन्स वर ऑन द राखण यात्रा जे आमचे 22 सप्टेंबराक वी आर फायनलायज द डेट टू स्टार्ट दॅट यात्रा फ्रॉम नॉर्थ गोवा टू साऊथ गोवा. Apart from that, we also discussed about SIR, where थोडे जाग्यार आमच्यांनी एक नंबर घातलेले भायर, where people have faced their grievances as well as some deletions have happened. So आम्ही ते स्क्रुटनी करून headed by our Savio Coutinho, we will look into that matter of the SIR. Delimitationाचेरूय आमचे चर्चा जाल्ले. म्हाका दिसता delimitation of wards for the upcoming municipality elections, that is headed by the responsibilities taken by Praveen Lagan. आणि executive committeeचे आमचे disciplinary committee आसा तितून which is headed by our senior vice president Pap M.K. Sheikh and Everson Wallace. So there was a issue of two members that have there was action to be taken on them, suspend झाले पळय ते. So on that basis, the executive committee has taken a unanimous decision, as in they have decided on the basis of the disciplinary committee चे the findings आसा पळय, on that basis ते दोग जाणांक आमी expel करता for the matter of 6 years. This has been finally discussed about. I believe one is Shamina Siddiqui and second is Manisha Ulzar.
Terminated for 6 years.
6 years, right. On the basis ना तेंचे they have out of office तेंच्यांनी वचून ते मिडियाचेरूय उलयला आनी एंटी पार्टी एक्टिविटीज म्हणून तेंचे कंप्लेन येयल्ले. तो ऑन दॅट कंप्लेन there was a disciplinary committee that was taken and they were called. तेंचे ते येवन तेंच्यांनी आपले ग्रीव्हन्स कितें तेंचे सायडींतल्यान जाल्ले पळय ते तेंच्यांनी व्यक्त केले. तशेंच द कमिटी हॅड पूट फॉरवर्ड आयज एक्झिक्युटीव कमिटीक डिसिप्लिनरी कमिटीचे फायंडिंग्स आसले पळय ते घातलेले मांडलेले तेंच्यांनी एंड इट वॉज टेकन अ डिसिजन वॉज टेकन टू एक्सपेल देम फॉर 6 years.
ही राखण यात्राचे कोण नॅशनल
हय ते अजूनय फायनल जावंक ना. टॉक्स आर ऑन. आय बिलीव आमचे AICC प्रेसिडेंट बाब खरगे तशेंच आमचे जनरल सेक्रेटरी प्रियांका गांधी वाद्रा तेय येवपाचे आहा. बाकीचे 4 चीफ मिनिस्टर्स जे आमचे हितून आहा सो तेंकाय आमी इनवायट करतले एंड ऑल सिनियर लिडर्स ऑल्सो वील बी इंटिमिडेटेड एंड डेफिनेटली हो यात्रा पळय आहा वी एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी अ ह्यूज ग्रँड सक्सेस. आनी जे हिसपान पळय लोकांचो आयज हेतू आहा आनी लोकांक एक एंगर against the current government where तेंचे 39A इशू म्हणून तूं लँड सेलिंग लँड ग्रॅबिंग सामान्य बिजनसमॅनाक त्रास जाल्ले आहा. सगळे पळय ट्रेडिशनल एक्टिविटीज पळय करता पळय जावं ते ट्युरिजमाक जावन आज दुसरे इतर एक्टिविटीज बिजनसाचे हितून देंवला पळय ताका सामान्य कोण मनीस आहा खोशी ना आयजचे डेटीन. सो ऑन दॅट बेसीस आय बिलीव वील गेट अ ट्रिमेंडस रिस्पॉन्स आनी लोकांचो एक मुवमेंट चालू जाल्लो आहा which we will capture in this yatra.
किती थीम असते
सद्याक it is in planning mode and राखण यात्रा itself is the theme. गोंय सांबाळपाचें काम आमचें आसतलें ह्या थीम घेवन आमी फुडें वयतले.
Municipal councils which have 11 municipal council elections which have been kept pending. We are starting the process because delimitation केला न्हू ते already open जाला, open for public and for the elected representatives to give their objections if any. But these notices always come in a small part of the newspaper, so we are making an effort now to make sure that all municipalities put in their objections where increase or decrease of wards have been done. Similarly, SIR verification I just want to inform the general public that the North Goa district office which is in Mapsa has now staff sitting for all days in the week for verification of their names from the SIR, which will include both Madhya district and North Goa district, so all 20 constituencies in the north. In case they want to verify, in case their names have been deleted, our staff will assist you all to fill up the forms again and get yourself enrolled. Initially the estimate of deleted names was around 2,000 per constituency, but as we can see now it is around reaching 3,000-4,000 also, 4,500 in some constituencies. It seems to be that certain groups may have been deliberately being deleted, but the process, I don't think the voters of Goa should be worried. The process of getting themselves re-enrolled in the electoral roll is not difficult, and if at all they require any assistance to verify, to see if their names are deleted and to get them added again, we have started the process in the North Goa district office in Marwad and Mapsa. Besides that, in case there is any officer who is troubling any of the people who are filling the Form 6 for re-enrollment, we have also put together a legal team who will assist them at location wherever they are facing this problem, because some Hamladar, some officers who have been given this responsibility are not taking it very seriously and keeping certain community forms back. So we are taking it seriously that every citizen must have his right to vote, and if you are wrongfully deleted from this role, then we will get your names enrolled back again.